Guessing, calling, meeting, and dreaming of how to get things done right on time is both inefficient and tiring. That's time you could have spent more wisely with your deskless employees, completing deadlines on time or doing something even more enjoyable. Cleverday's work guidance platform fixes this problem. By creating, sharing, and receiving work instructions with mobile devices, we can help you get in touch with the frontline reality, share best practices, and learn what works and what doesn't. Whether you're a small company or a 100,000 employee enterprise, Cleverday provides you a fast and easy way to guide your deskless teams at any time and anywhere, helping you save time, reduce human errors, keep up the deadlines, and increase happiness with employees, partners, and customers. By building visual, step-by-step instructions in minutes, sharing them in seconds, and analyzing staff response and behavior every day, Cleverday helps you to improve your guidance and workflows continuously, better than ever before. Download the mobile app and try Cleverday for free to give your deskless team a happier, more productive workday. That's Cleverday.